Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to block someone on Zelle. It's pretty much the process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I've done right here. Let's quickly run through what Zelle is about. Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account, and when money goes into your bank account, of course, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. So now that we know a bit of what Zelle is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to block someone on Zelle. The first thing I'd like to do is first create a Zelle account. And how do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type zellepay.com. That's going to take you to this official website. From this website, navigate towards the right corner of your screen and click on Get Started for you to sign up. After creating your account, this is what you can do to block someone. Number one, find the Zelle app on your mobile device and open it, or you can even use the website. Locate the Get icon, which is usually in the bottom corner. That represents your settings menu, and the website is at the top right corner. Within the settings, find the section labeled Privacy Settings. Now click on Privacy Settings. This section will show a list of any previously blocked contacts and the option to add more. You can find the person either by searching for them or scrolling through your recent transactions in that window. Once you find the person, you're going to see the block button. Go ahead and magnificently hit the block button. And once you do that, confirm your choice. After confirming your choice, that person is going to be blocked. Now, blocking is currently only possible through the official Zelle app, not your individual bank app. Now, if a blocked user has your contact information, they could create a new Zelle account to bypass the block. So that's more like heads up, but this is pretty much how you can block someone on Zelle. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.